Yo, what is up, crypto crew? Welcome back to a brand new video. Hope you guys are doing well, staying safe out there, staying quarantined, and just having a blast at home as much as you can. Without further ado, in today's video, what I'm going to be talking to you about is how you guys can get started trading cryptocurrencies and what platform I use and how you guys, basically I'm just going to be doing a whole walkthrough on how you guys can get started if you guys are interested. So before I get started with the video, make sure you subscribe, make sure you hit that like button, comment any questions you guys have throughout this video. Without further ado, let's get started. So first, what you're gonna do is this is what I usually like to do. Everyone else has their own opinion, but what I do is I go on Coinbase and I buy BTC. So you're gonna have to send BTC over to an exchange. So if you guys don't know how to buy Bitcoin, I'll leave a link down in the description for where I made a whole video on that, how you guys can buy on Coinbase. So for demonstrative purposes, I've already bought some, so I'm just gonna send it over. So what I use is a website called Binance. Now Binance, they have a whole bunch of coins, and you guys can just trade whatever coins you guys want on here. They have a very difficult portion to their website, and also not very difficult, but difficult I mean technical. But I'm just going to be showing you guys the basics of how you guys can get started quickly. So what we're going to do is, so that we're on our Coinbase website, what I'm going to do is send over Bitcoin to my Binance exchange. So you're going to on your Binance website, once you guys create your account, if you guys don't have one, I'll leave a link down below too. If you guys use my link, you guys will get 5% back on every trade you guys make, which is an awesome plus as well. So what we're going to do is you're going to search up the coin. Let me just unhide everything. We're going to search up the coin. So what we're going to send is BTC. Once we type in BTC, which is Bitcoin, we're going to deposit it into Binance so we can start trading. So I'm just going to hit the deposit button on here. Once my screen loads, I'll set this up. While that's loading, you're going to go on your Coinbase and choose the coin so Bitcoin in this situation, that you want to send over. So this is loaded. All we're going to do is copy this address. This is the address for this account where you're going to send the money. So all you have to do is copy the address. Now you go back to your Coinbase. You go to your Bitcoin, because that's what we're sending, and we're just going to hit send. You just paste the address. What I like to do is just make sure the first two and last two letters or numbers match. So it's 1N and MB, and we have 1N and MB. So that matches. I'm just gonna send over $50 worth. We're just gonna hit continue. This is 2FA. I highly recommend you guys set up 2FA if you guys can. It's for security purposes. It's amazing. So let me just put this in real quick, and once we hit confirm, it should send over. So it should take, it usually doesn't take too long, maybe a couple minutes. Sometimes it's instantaneous. It all depends on the blockchain, how backed up it is. But for now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause the video, and once I get money into my balance, so you guys can see it's 0.136 right here. Obviously it'll be more once I come back, but once I have the money in there, I'll continue on how you guys can use that and start trading crypto with it. So I'll be right back. Alright guys, so the Bitcoin is finally here in my balance. It took maybe, I would say maybe 5-10 minutes before it to come through and hit my wallet. So now that we have our BTC in the wallet, we're going to go over to the exchange part. Before we get there, I just want to show you guys. So Binance does have an option where you guys can buy crypto through on here. Now this is, I don't know when they released this, but ever since I've been with Binance, they didn't have this at the beginning. So I'm always used to buying it on Coinbase and sending the BTC over here. But like I said, I did not use this, so I don't know if there's fees with this. If any of you guys have used this, be sure to let me know. I might test this out, because if I can save me a step of, buying it here and then sending it over, I might just do that. But for now, I'm still going to utilize Coinbase until I test this out. So I just want to let you guys know that if you guys want to try it out, you guys can use you can buy Bitcoin, or I think, oh wait, you can buy, okay, so you can buy all these coins through Binance. So once we have our BTC set, what we're going to do is go over trade, and then for this purpose, for this video, I'm going to use basic. And now remember, as I said, BTC is the currency, so a lot of these things are per BTC. So we see ADA/BTC, meaning you need BTC is the currency, so you buy ADA with BTC. So you don't buy with dollar amount, so USD in this case. So it's not like, you know, stocks where you use dollars to buy a stock. For this, dollars is equivalent to BTC. So now that we got that out of the way, what I'm gonna do is I'm not gonna execute a trade essentially right now. I'm just gonna show you guys how to do it. So let's say, okay, we'll use ADA for as an example. So actually no, I already have ADA. So let's do let me do XRP so it shows that nothing is there. So once we have that set, we're just going to scroll down, and you see where it says buy and sell. Obviously, you know what that means, buy and sell. So if you guys, let's say we're starting fresh and we wanted to go and buy into this for trading purposes. So what you would do is, it conveniently says how much you can afford with your BTC amount. See that amount that I had in my balance is now over here. So let's say I wanted to buy 100%. So I will use all my money. I would get 280, and this is the price I'm willing to pay. So this right here is the price that it is at currently right now. This is the change. So what you can do is you can buy a market price, which essentially is it'll buy at the market price right here and execute it on your behalf, or you could do a limit. A limit is you get to choose the price. And so now that we're trading, you know, we kind of want to use our own price that we use our technical indicators on to figure out if it's a good time to come in or not. So what we do is, let's say, you know, you want to buy at 26.49 or 26.46. You can click them, or you can just type in the price. Now once you hit buy, either one, it'll execute right away because someone else is selling it at your price and they're willing to sell to you, or it'll go down in your open orders list. This is where the order will stay open until it's fulfilled or until you cancel it. That all depends on the price, obviously. So let's say you wanted to do 26.38 and it's 26.39. It's not going to execute till you're at 26.38. So now that, as I said, I'm not buying right now, so that's how it would be. You would just hit click buy, and then it would either execute or go to open orders. Now let's say that you bought in, and then the stock or the Ripple XRP goes up, you know, 26.50, and you want to sell. All you're gonna do is go right over here, change the price to 26.50. Let's say this is around 26.50, or what you can do is set a price that when it does hit 26.50, it'll sell on your behalf. So I don't have any XRP, so it's saying 0, but let's say you bought 100% worth, you would have 280, right? All you do is go over here and put in 280. That's initially saying you want to sell all of it, and this is the profit you made right here. So you see how this is 742, this is 738. So you know, this is that difference is what the profit you made on that trade. And then as you can see, once you sell it, it'll go right back into your BTC account. And this is pretty quick, depending on the order size. So you guys can, it shouldn't take too long or anything. So they have a market, like as I said, they also have a stop limit. I'm not going to go into that as much for this video. I'm trying to keep this as basic as possible, along with margin. But if you guys do, this is pretty transferable with the stock market. They try to keep everything the same because, you know, they just started loan, staking, lending. It's they definitely came a long way from where they started. So that's how you would execute the trade and take profit. One thing that I really enjoy about Binance is they do have an app. So I think they should be in the App Store. If not, you should be able to go on their website and just type in let's see, if you just type in Binance app, it should redirect you. So yeah, you could just go over here and, or my bad, back over here, and you can download the app through this link. So I personally use the app. I personally actually don't use the app as much. I prefer to do my trading on my computer. I just find it simple that way. If you guys, what I use for my trading to look at the movement, I personally use TradingView. I just open up another tab and you pull up the pairing on here. Let me show you how that works real quick. So if you guys did want to, just make a TradingView account. If you guys want some basic indicators that I use to trade, which are not the craziest to learn, but it's definitely kind of simple. This is your dude. So for my example, I was using XRP to BTC. So what we're gonna do is just XRP/BTC. You don't do this. You just type in XRP. Conveniently it says the exchange. So for us, we're using Binance, so it should be exact. You would just click on this one, and this is the same thing. So you guys can see it here. I just prefer it because I've always been using TradingView, and my mind is accustomed to their layout and how it works. You guys can use theirs. They use the same software as TradingView, so you guys can. It's the same thing, but for my preference, I use this. And then you can just monitor here whatever price that you think is good. You could just head over to Binance, put your buy in, put your sell in if you want to sell out at a certain price. Or like I said, they have the app and you could do it on there. The app I think I used a couple times. It's pretty simple to use. It's nothing complicated or anything. If you guys do want me to make a video on that, just let me know. I can make a quick video on how to trade on the app. But I think that's pretty much it for this video, guys. So this was just like a brief, like very simple, get to the point on how you guys can start trading. I might do a trading challenge honestly, make like a little series. I might start off maybe like a couple $100 and see how much I can make in a week, and see if I'm profitable or not. But with that being said, I just want to thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure you subscribe, hit that like button. Let me know if you guys are interested in more videos like this, or if you guys have any questions. I'll be more than likely, or more than happy to create some videos around that, so you guys can learn more about crypto. With that being said, I want to thank you guys for watching today's video. And before I head out, as I said, if you guys are interested in investing in Binance and using their platform, I'll put the link below. You guys get 5% back on every trade that you guys make. If you guys want more information on how to trade crypto, I'll leave that link down there below. But other than that, you guys have a great day, stay safe, and as always, keep hustling.